Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash, back with a brand new video for you guys. Today I'm out working in New Tampa, Florida. I'm here for a driveway cleaning, paved driveway, and we got one more job on the schedule for the day, which is way back in Tampa. We're going to be doing a pool deck. This customer here, they basically reached me on Google. They went to my website and then I filled out a form, and you know, I replied, and here I am doing the job. You guys make sure you get your websites, you know what I'm saying, and get your Google listing. That's free money right there, you know what I'm saying? Just to have that Google listing where customers can find you online. This driveway here is not really bad, really, man. It's been here, this house is probably like 3 or 4 years old. So therefore, you know, we need to pre-treat the driveway. There's algae on it. We don't want to just pressure wash it off and then don't kill the algae. You don't kill algae with pressure. You kill algae with chemicals, point blank. So therefore, let me show what we got going on. So this is the driveway here. As you can tell, there's a lot of algae right there. All that gotta get pre-treated and killed. We could pressure wash it first and then post-treat it. Same old thing, man. We're gonna be doing the street gutters also. The street gutters make it look good. See how the sidewalks look? Shows you right there, this community is not too old. But we're gonna be doing the street gutters for them. I got my proportioner set up already. Got my gun out. My proportioner right now is set up on SH through my banjo valve. My SH right here, pulling out here in this tank. When I got it up like this, that means it's pulling up right here on this buffer tank right here. So we're using the SH. And then my proportion is set up on a 3%. So when you have it like this, wide open, 50-50 mix, split it in half. I'm gonna crack it just about right there. That's like a 3% mix. You ain't gotta be too technical about it. And your surfactant, I just want it to smell good, man. That's the only reason I'm putting it on, but just crack it just a little bit. Hey man, first of all, before I start, I want to thank everybody for supporting the channel. I got major love on my last video I dropped for the roof pricing video. Major love, man. I appreciate it. So I want y'all to let me know in the comment section if y'all like the type of videos, man. Let me know, you know, if y'all like when I sit down at the computer, you know what I'm saying, we can chop it up, give you some insights as far as marketing, how to retain customers, how to get customers. You know, I can talk to y'all about anything. Just let me know, man, what y'all want. I know some people request that I give them my backstory. I got somebody ask me about, you know, like marketing or whatever. Y'all let me know. I'm gonna hook y'all up. So we're gonna go ahead and start pre-treating this driveway here. I got my gun. I got everything set up. Let's go. All right, so we pre-treated the driveway. See how everything is turning white? Algae is just dying. Before we start surface cleaning, we're just gonna give it a little time to dwell, so everything can get nice and ready for surface cleaning. I pre-treated the sidewalks. Sidewalks look kind of new. It wasn't that bad anyway, so I'll probably just rinse it off with the gun to see what it looks like. I put a little pre-treatment on there just to see what it turns out like. Usually these new sidewalks, you can just do that and get away with it, but the driveways you can't, from my opinion or experience. All right, man, let's go get it. Alright guys, we're all finished with the job here. Everything came out great. Did the sidewalks, did the street gutter in the driveway. So this is what it looks like now. Give you guys a recap where all the algae was. Everything disappeared, nice. These papers right here need to be sealed for sure. For sure. See the front. Got some mulch on the way for my hose. Fix that up. Yeah, see how the pavers look? Then they get sealed up. Well, this is the product here. Everything's cleaned up. We're gonna pack it up and head to the next job. All right, guys, we got to set a second job for the day. We're in Tampa, Florida. We're in actually Citrus Park area of Tampa. We're gonna be doing a Travertine pool deck. With Travertine, you can get away with soft washing them, you know, because it's the type of stone it is. All you gotta do really is put a 4 to a 5% mix down, and you can really just use your ball valve, man, and it come clean. Most of the algae sits right on top. It doesn't really sink in to Travertine like concrete or pavers. It doesn't sink in like that, so it's really right on top and also on the crack. So a 5% or 4% will kill all that algae. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. Come back with your ball valve. You can use your spray gun if you want to rinse it off, you know what I'm saying, but you can just use your ball valve. I already got my hoses ran. I got the water going. My soft wash hose is back there. I got the proportionate set. I'm gonna be going to a commercial job next. I'm gonna take you guys with me so we see what it looks like. I think I got that one in the bag, man. Probably gonna do that one soon. So let's go check out this job here. All right, so this is a Travertine pool deck. Like I said, it's not porous at all. Everything sits on top, but you do get algae in the cracks. So anytime you see, you got algae right there. It's going in between the cracks, nice and soft. You're gonna nuke that with a 4. Now actually I'm using the 4%, but you can use the 5. And it's all over here. They also got some rust from the chairs. They got some metal chairs sitting out there. Those usually sit right here. So soft washing, pretty much you're gonna soft wash this whole deck. I got the hoses ran. And grab it and start spraying my mix. I gotta clean in sections because there's a lot of furniture out here, and you know, you don't have to really move. Nothing's really in the way. I can clean one area, move the furniture, you know what I'm saying, and slide it back. So pretty easy job, man. This customer just filled out this my form today on my website. And I told her, I can come out today. She was like, if we can do it today, well, come on. Come get that money, man. I'm not gonna turn out no money. We're just gonna nuke the whole deck. And just let that thing sit. Looks like the water settles over here, so get some of that in the pool. None of that trash. Yeah, man. Y'all let me know where y'all from, man. I don't know where nobody from on my channel like that. I know a couple people. You know, I got some people from Texas, Carolina, of course, Florida. I know I got some people overseas. Norway. I got some subscribers now. Y'all let me know where y'all from, man. I know I got my people from New York in there, Louisiana. I'm trying to see where my supporters at, man. Where y'all from? Let me know. So I started at 8, so I'm gonna let that sit for a little while. That last section over there, I'm gonna wait till I clean this area so I can move that this way, so I can push that stuff back. I already soaked up the rest of the pool deck already. Let's see what the results are over here. It's only been about like 5 minutes. See, I don't even see the algae no more. It's like, this is how it's coming off. Nice and soft. We're gonna let that sit a little bit longer. And then we're gonna come back and give it a rinse. Done with the project. This is the aftermath here. Purely soft wash. All the algae is gone. Pool deck is looking great. I'll move all the furniture back inside for her. Got that 5-star review already. Travertine, man, easy. Add your 4 to 5% and rinse with your ball valve, or you can rinse with your gun. So we're gonna go to a commercial gig, get some measurements. They got some concrete they want me to clean up, and also some rust removal. So let's go check it out. All right, so this is what we're doing here. This is the map, and they got everything they want me to do highlighted, which is all the entrance area right here. They got this area right here. They got some more areas in the back I gotta do, and also right here and right there. They want the sidewalks, the gutters, and get rid of the rust on the sidewalks. So this is the property here. I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna go walk it now and get measurements and send that beta in. I'm gonna show you guys what I do. All right, so this is the front gate of the property. So basically they want all these curbs on both sides done. They want this little flower bed. As you can tell, they got some rust on it, so we gotta charge for the rust. We're gonna be doing all the sidewalks over here. And of course, all the way up to the van where the house starts. The house starts. That's where I stop. So basically, I think this property line is probably up to this corner over here. That's why I'm gonna stop for this side of the sidewalk. And then over there, on the other side of the street, I'm gonna stop where the van is. I'll show you guys what it looks like over there. That one over there got a lot of rust on that side from the sprinklers. So see how bad these sidewalks are? That's crazy. Look like somebody painted the sidewalk with rust. Look at the color difference. And it's crazy because the sidewalk itself is not really dirty, it's just full of rust. But we're gonna get that cleaned up. All right, I'm gonna jump in the van. This is where I'm stopping. I'm stopping right there on this side. I'm gonna show you guys the other areas I gotta touch up. All right, we're at the second spot. It's weird, man, how they want that little spot right there that's highlighted right there. I'm sorry, we're on this one. That's this spot right there. So the road is pretty much going like this. So this is this side of the road. So basically they want this side of the sidewalk done. Let me see here, see the schematics. So basically property line, which is at the edge of this fence here, down to over here. They want that, and the gutters cleaned up. And we got 1, 2, 3 more sections we're gonna clean up. Let's go check those out. All right, this is the third section, which is this area right here. Pretty much is from, looks like it's from where pretty much where that tree is right there, all the way down to where that house is at the end of the street. That's where it ends at. We're gonna be doing the curbs, all these curbs, and the sidewalks. Let's go check out this very last little piece right here. We got like a little cul-de-sac in the back. We're gonna check that out right quick. All right, we at the last little piece, which is this little U right here. That's pretty much from right here, looping around over here. So pretty much all these curbs right here, coming around to right here. All right, so that's what we got so far. Yeah, I appreciate y'all checking the video out, man, and supporting the channel. I want y'all to let me know what y'all would be at for this job here. I want to know, I'm saying, if y'all been paying attention. Nah, I'm kidding. Nah, let me know y'all opinion though, man. Let me know what y'all think, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm gonna bid for this job. So with that said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.